Hey, what's up YouTube? In this video, I'm going to share with you a deep dive into my free 30-day challenge. I'm going to show you the website to go to, and I'm going to show you how the course works and what you get when you sign up for this free 30-day challenge. I want to challenge you to see how much you can increase your cash flow in the next 30 days. My name is Paris Clough, and this is Financial Self-Reliance. On this channel, we talk about the mindsets and the skill sets of the wealthy, and we teach you how to manage, protect, and grow your assets. If that sounds like the kind of channel and the kind of community you want to be a part of, go ahead and click like and subscribe so that you don't miss any of the videos that I produce. So in this video, I'm going to share with you my 30-day free challenge. One of the reasons why I created this course was because the first time I sit down with a client, I often get the objection, Paris, I don't have any money. And I respond with, if I can show you how to get the money, if I can show you where you're misspending or where you're misdirecting dollars, would you be willing to take those found dollars and invest them in your future to make sure that you have the safety and security that you need to be able to accomplish your financial goals and dreams? Invariably, they say yes. If you can find the money for me, if you can help me find where I'm misspending or where I'm misdirecting money, I would be more than happy to take some of that money and invest it in my future. That's what the 30-day free challenge is going to do for you. I literally walk you through the process that I take all of my brand new clients through. All right, so if you click the link in the description below, you'll come to this website here, financialselfreliance.net. Financial freedom begins with one thing, and that's positive cash flow. You have to be able to have more money coming in than what's going out. If you don't have that, there's nothing that you can do to get yourself into a better financial situation. You literally have to learn how to either spend less money or make more money. You have to have a space between how much you make, how much is coming in, and how much you spend, how much is going out. That's cash flow, positive cash flow. How much is flowing in versus how much is flowing out. You've got to have a positive cash flow. There's no way you're going to be able to make it financially. So if you come to this website here, you'll scroll down and it says take the free 30-day challenge. And then you come here and you're going to be able to sign up. So right here, you'll enter your email address, and then I'd like for you to subscribe to our email list so that you don't miss any future content that I can produce. Then click the button here. This button will light up and you'll be able to sign up for free. When you click that button, it will take you to this course. This is the Financial Self-Reliance 30-Day Challenge. Lesson 1. This is where I give you an introduction to the course, why it was created, and I give you some instructions on how to get the most out of it. The first lesson talks about filling out the Form W-4 properly. Most people aren't getting enough money in their paychecks because they're overspending in their taxes, and they're getting a huge tax refund at the end of the year. If you would take that money and you would put it back into your paycheck, you could use it throughout the year. You could use it throughout the year to pay your bills, to pay off your debts, to invest in your future, rather than giving it to the IRS, who's not going to give it back to you in a tax return with any interest, by the way. So it's important for you to know that you want to take control of your money and you want to have it now. Don't wait. It's your money. Why are you giving it over to somebody only to have them give it back to you months later or at the end of the year? You wouldn't do that any other way or for any other reason. So don't do it with the IRS. Get your money now so that you can put it to work for you. The next lesson here, lesson 2, is for those who are self-employed, those who have a 1099, those who use a Schedule C when they file their taxes. There's some very important lessons that I've learned the hard way that are ready and waiting for you in lesson 2 on Schedule C. How to fill that out properly, how to avoid being audited, how to make sure that you're writing off the right things, and that you're maximizing your business expenses. The third lesson is the last 90 days. What we do is we take a look back on all of your bank statements, your credit card statements. We literally look at what you spent over the last 90 days. The reason why we do 90 days is because we're going to take an average of 3 months. So you track what you spent in month 1, month 2, and month 3, and then you average that out, and you have an idea moving forward what your budget should be or what your spending is. Once you understand your spending and you get your spending under control, now what you want to do is take a look back of your last 30 days of income statements. Look at your pay stubs, look at your side hustles, look at any money that came in over the last 90 days and do an average of that over the 3 months as well. And that way you know how much money you have coming in on a monthly basis. In this exercise, you're going to take the last 90 days of spending and the last 90 days of income because you want to know what's your average going out and what's your average coming in so that you can plan. Awareness brings change. And if you don't know what's going on, if you don't know how much is going out, you don't know how much is coming in, no wonder you're having financial problems. Once you know what's going on, you're going to be able to make the right changes so that you can have the results that you're looking for. And then finally, lesson 4. Lesson 4 is where we set a game plan for the next 30 days. We set a game plan to track your expenses, to track your income, and we do it diligently. And then I challenge you in that last video to see how much positive cash flow you could have at the end of 30 days. How much can you reduce your spending or increase your income? See, once you learn to live within your means, the most important thing you can do after that is to grow your means. What that means is that you want to be able to make more money. Once you learn to control and have discipline in your spending, making more money is going to be productive for you. If you don't have any control over your spending and you go out and make more money, you're just going to spend more money. And then you're right back in the same place you've always been, just making more money and spending more money. If you can control and discipline your spending and spend money on things that bring you value and then go make more money, you're going to have a much more wonderful relationship with money and you're going to have a much more productive life. I've been doing this for 20 years. I've helped enough people to know that it can work for you. If you'll take the time to discipline yourself, if you'll do the things that are in the 30-day challenge, I promise you it will change your life. You will take those old bad habits and turn them into new good habits that will serve you and bring you the results that you want. If you're not getting the results out of life that you want, it's because you're doing something wrong. Change what you're doing and you'll have different results. If you do what I share with you in the 30-day challenge, I promise you that it will give you the right habits. It will give you the right things to change so that you can obtain the goals that you have for your financial future and your financial life for you and your family. I hope you sign up for the 30-day challenge. I hope you actually do the work, and I hope that it changes your life in a positive way. I'd love to hear more about how much this 30-day challenge changed your life in a testimonial. Send me an email to paris@financialselfreliance.net when you're done with the 30-day challenge to let me know how it worked for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the 30-day challenge.